Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore. We have yet another Addiesdive sent in by Addiesdive themselves. Let me try to flip open all these little flips here on the Pelican-alike case. Ta-da! We've got this vintage looking diver. Okay, so this is the latest model from Addiesdive. Reference number for the watch is AD2068. So the previous one that I reviewed was 2066. So this is probably two models after that one. If I'm not wrong, this is like a male sub or a vintage Submariner look-alike. A very slim and small diver watch, obviously done in the vintage style, no crown guards. And we've got a quartz movement, so it doesn't have the sweep of the VH31 found on the 2066. The VD78 has a per second ticking movement. The seconds hand would tick every second, and I actually prefer this one. Alright, I like my quartz watches to be ticking per second as opposed to sweeping. I know, okay, it's a bit unusual. Most people prefer the watch sweep, the seconds hand sweep, but for me, I very much prefer the ticking. I'm just weird like that. So we've got the standard Addiesdive packaging with the paperwork, manual, and strap change tool or strap adjustment tool. Let's just put these things out of the way. Okay, I hope I don't trip over the camera. And let's have a look at the watch. We've got a hang tag here and the usual protective stickers. Now with the lens slightly zoom in, let's take a closer look at the AD2068. So this being a diver watch, the cartoon looking harpoon diver helmet logo is back at the 12 o'clock zone. I'm really not a big fan of this logo. It looks very comical, looks like cartoon. Okay, it's also engraved on the case back. Though I must say, the overall case construction, in terms of finishing, I think it's very good. Alright, for the money. This watch, if I'm not wrong, is under 80 Singapore dollars. You can find this one at a good price during the AliExpress sale. You're getting a decently built case, and I think this is a dome sapphire crystal. No confirmation on that. I will find out more and I'll report back in my detailed review. As it is, this is quite a nice vintage style diver, no crown guard look. And of course, this is the blue dial version. We've got the blue dial as well as this aluminum bezel insert. So it feels really nice, to be honest, and the lume pip here is also nicely applied. So for some strange reasons, the clasp on this watch, this is the ancient dinosaur era kind of design with the flip lock, bulky, nasty, unlike the 2066. I wonder why this is the case. Alright, so they should have gone with the upgraded or improved clasp. So this is just old school, screams old school to me. Although they've got nice solid end links. Again, even on the bracelet, construction is pretty decent. No complaints at all for the price point. Okay, let's do a quick check on the hand side alignment. We go to 12 o'clock. Okay, the hand alignment is good. No issues at all. Although this movement here feels a little bit flimsy. Not too sure if that's the word to describe. Here's a look at the wrist shot of the watch on my wrist. My wrist is 17 cm. The watch has a diameter of 37 mm if I'm not wrong. So nicely sized, vintage size, retro size diver. So first impressions of the watch. This is a pretty nice watch for not a lot of money. Stay tuned for the detailed review coming in a few weeks. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.